block unwanted calls with no caller ID? It can be really frustrating to deal with blocked or unknown callers, especially when it happens repeatedly. If a person's looking for a solution to stop these bothersome spam calls and reveal the caller ID behind them, here are some of the effective methods. Blocking calls with no caller ID. This approach is preferred if a person chooses not to engage with hidden caller IDs from unknown callers. Fortunately, Android and iOS devices offer features enabling a person to block numbers without a caller ID. Setting it up is straightforward, and here's how it's done. Number 1. Block unwanted calls on iPhone, iOS 13 or later. First, open the phone's settings, navigate down and tap on Phone. Now select Silence Unknown Callers and switch it on. Once allowed, all calls without a caller ID will be automatically blocked on an iPhone. The setting will remain in effect until the user decides to change it. Number 2. Block unwanted calls on Android. First, open the phone's dialer. Tap the 3 vertical dots at the phone screen's top or middle right side. Now choose Settings. Now select Block Numbers. Now activate the Block Unknown Callers option.